To get started with QuickBooks time tracking, first you need to set up the time tracking feature in your QuickBooks account. This can be done by going to the Edit menu and selecting Preferences. Then choosing Time Tracking and selecting the option to have employees track time. Next, you need to create a list of services and tasks that your employees will be working on. This can be done by going to the Lists menu and selecting Services and Items. Then adding a new service or item for each task or project that needs to be tracked. Once you have set up the time tracking feature and created a list of services and tasks, you can start tracking time. This can be done by going to the Employees menu and selecting Enter Time. Then selecting the employee and the date range for which you want to enter time. You can then select the service or task that the employee worked on and enter the number of hours worked. You can also add notes or comments to provide more detail about the work that was done. It is also possible to track time using the QuickBooks mobile app, which allows employees to clock in and out and track their time on the go. This can be especially useful for employees who work remotely or are out in the field. Best practices for using QuickBooks time tracking include setting up regular time tracking schedules, such as daily or weekly, to ensure that time is being tracked consistently and accurately. It is also a good idea to review and approve time tracking data on a regular basis to ensure that it is accurate and up to date. Additionally, you can use the time tracking data to generate reports and invoices, which can help you to manage your business more effectively and make informed decisions about your operations. For example, you can use the time tracking data to generate a report that shows the total hours worked by each employee, or to create an invoice that includes the total hours worked on a particular project.